Hi guys, welcome to the Fusion Beats dance channel. So this tutorial is going to be based on our dance cover on Tuesday, which was Chhote Chhote Peg. Okay, so yes, the song is about liking drinking whiskey, and I don't. Okay, I don't like drinking whiskey. The dance that I've done is more suited to intermediate to advanced dancers or beginners that want a challenge. This tutorial has no music. Open up the dance cover and I've got the link below. So what you do is learn the steps with me here and then go over to the dance cover and practice it in sections. Do 4 sections, so you've got 2 beginning parts and then the chorus and then the last part, which requires you to do a bit more freestyle in that as well. Don't forget to comment below, and we've also got our community tab up there somewhere, and keep in touch with us as well. So look forward to seeing you guys and your routines, and have fun. Okay, so to start, we actually start after the first 2 counts, okay? So how we start is we stand facing the front, and then we do a half body roll. So what I mean by that is you're going to start from your head to the waist, okay? Your legs just go on an angle, but you're going to go up, 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 okay? Now you could go right, you could go left, okay? So what you're doing is you're waiting for 2, then you body roll, then take your left leg and you're going 1, 2. Now you want to stay grounded and low, and you're going to pull, pull, and your feet are sliding. So from right foot, you slide, slide, up, down, and then twist back, okay? Boom, 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 boom. So let's do that. Ready, and wait, around, 1, 2, 1, 2, up, up, out, in. Then use your right hand, push it over, and bend your right leg, okay? So over, sit, use your thumbs, around, around. So your hips going out, in, out, in. All right, put that together. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step, step, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Push the right hand, over, over. Then you're going to have your hands out, and your legs are going right, left, okay? 1, it's only a 1 count, not a 1, 2. So you've got 1, 2 to the side, body roll, chest roll, okay? So you're doing circles anti-clockwise. So circle, circle, stepping back on the right and left, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to travel to the front, and your hands are going to go up and down, but really quick. Up, down, cross, cross, and flick, okay? Boom, 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 over the head. And you can click if you want to while you're doing that, okay? And the left leg stays bent, so it's more of that happening, okay? You want your body to go back so that the next movement can happen. So let's do that second bit. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From there, your legs are going left, right, left, and right, left. Okay? So from here, you're going left, right, left. Hands, they're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're going under and over in circles. Okay? So let's do that. Ready, and 1, 2, circle, circle, up, and 1 and 2. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with this movement, you want to also utilize your hips as well. So you want to lead with your hips and your hands. So your first one's more of a chest. So your chest is moving too. And then it's hips, hips, So you're going to step front, back, right hip, left hip, around the head, and then over, over. Okay? Alright, welcome back to section 2. So this time you're at the back, it's a continuation. So from here, roll, roll. Your arms are going to go right around to the front. Okay? As you do that, your legs are going behind, side, front. Okay? Similar to when you did that step of here, 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 but this time you're doing it from the back. So you've got to do from here, behind, back, front. It's right, left, right. Okay, ready? So from here, and right, left, right. Lift your left leg up, click, step, step. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then you've got pull, pull, roll it up, roll it in. Okay, now that's quite fast, but it's a turn up, turn down. So you're going to pull, pull, roll it up and down. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's down, down, jump, jump out, and then just chill, chill. Okay, bring the arms and swing them. Alright, so let's put that bit together. So from here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, pull, pull, up, down, step. So you bring the leg out, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, jump, jump out, swing, swing. Okay, so that is the end of section 2. Now just quickly, this step out might be tricky because you've got to move your hips as well. So as you bring that right leg up, everything goes to the left, then to the right. And that's what the lower half are doing. Then the top half, your shoulders will do the opposite. So you drop the right, pick up the right, pick up the right. Okay? So section 2 is done, and then that leaves us with the chorus. Okay, so the chorus is very quick, it's quite simple. All you're going to do is, as you're standing there facing the mirror, you're going to lean to with your left hip, then lean to the right, lean to the left hip, lean to the right. Now in the dance cover, which you'll check out with the link below, I've also done one where I'm moving, but the hips and the movement is still the same. Okay, so all you're doing is hands are going 1, 2, to say small, okay? So 1, 2, thumb, thumb, 1, 2, thumb, thumb, 1, 2, thumb, thumb. Now you have 3 of them. So you can move forward if you want and go 1, 2, out, 1, 2, out. You can go in any direction, even if you wanted to do side. As long as we've got the hands going 1, 2, thumbs, 1, 2, thumbs, okay? And then you've got the 4th one, because you're only doing 3. So 3rd one, so you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. So that's right, left, turn, throw your hands up, okay? Now you can fling them however you want. You can fling them across, fling them up, okay? And that section is the chorus. So press stop, go through that with the music. So you've got 3 parts so far, and then we've got 1 final part. Okay, so the last section, I'm only going to show you choreography for half of it, and then I guess I want you guys for the last half, like I did, freestyle. Okay, so as soon as you finish doing the chorus, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn around, circle, hit, then you're going 1, so you're like up and slide, up and slide. So it's boom, 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 boom. Then using your arms still in this position with fists, you're going to circle, circle. Okay, and that's a quick 1, 2. So you've got 1, 2, circle, circle, push, push. Then from there, you're going to turn and face the front again. So what you're doing is right, left, turn, hit, hit. So all that is right knee, left knee, elbow goes right, left. And you can lower your body in that bit as well. So when you do right, left, turn, lower, lower your body. Then you're going to body roll and come back up with your elbows. Bring them up. Then you can freestyle, okay? So what you want to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, and then it starts with the chorus. So you just need to improvise. What I've done is I've done something like a turn, hit, you can go up and down. So add in all the little bits. If you check out my past tutorial choreographies for other dances, you can incorporate a 4 count or an 8 count that you might like. But to start off with, at least you've got that movement going around. The key to this song is to loosen your body. Keep your ribs moving, keep your hips moving. Don't stop it, okay? So when the moves come, don't just do the hands and that's it. Actually move your body, your chest going out and in. I will be putting out a video with, I guess, dance basics, so you guys can practice some of those elements that can be incorporated into most dances as well. So stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget to comment over what tutorials you might like and what dance covers. Thank you guys for commenting, keeping in touch, and just having a conversation with me. It's been amazing. So I'll catch you guys next week.